Okay, this is a review on how to program a BOSE Cinemate remote control. We're going to program it to the TV. You could do your cable box, TV, DVD player, VCR, and auxiliary. It's very simple. You want to Google BOSE Cinemate remote control codes. Once you have your code, all you got to do is on the bottom here you see a setup button. You hold the setup button for 5 seconds and the green lights will light up. Now what you want to do is the device that you want to program, you want to choose it, which I'm going to choose TV, and my code for my Samsung TV is 10060. It'll flash twice. Go to the TV and press power. That shuts the TV on and shuts it off. Turn it back on. And that's how to program the remote. Hope you like it.